Trans! Welcome to our channel! Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for smart travelers. Top 75 travel hacks that the pros don't want you to know. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big adventure, these expert tips will change the way you travel forever. Stay tuned to unlock secrets that will save you time, money, and stress on your next trip. Here are the 75 secrets that experienced travelers often use to make their trips smoother, more enjoyable, and more cost effective. Packing hacks 1. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and reduces wrinkles. 2. Use packing cubes. Organize your luggage and compress your clothes for more space. 3. Wear your bulkiest items. Wear your heaviest clothing and shoes to save space in your luggage. 4. Stuff shoes with socks. Save space and help your shoes keep their shape. 5. Pack a scarf or sarong. These versatile items can serve as a blanket, pillow, or makeshift bag. 6. Bring a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and save money by refilling at fountains. 7. Pack a portable charger. Keep your devices charged on the go. 8. Use a pill organizer for jewelry. Keep earrings, rings, and necklaces organized and tangle-free. 9. Bring dryer sheets. Keep your clothes smelling fresh and they can also help reduce static. 10. Pack dual-purpose clothing. Choose items that can be dressed up or down to save space. Booking strategies. 11. Clear browser cookies. Airline and hotel websites track searches and may increase prices. Clearing cookies can help avoid this. 12. Book flights on Tuesdays. Flights are often cheaper on Tuesdays when airlines release new deals. 13. Use price alerts. Set alerts for flights and hotels to be notified when prices drop. 14. Consider alternate airports. Flying into a nearby smaller airport can sometimes save your money. 15. Book flights in incognito mode. This can prevent websites from raising prices based on your search history. 16. Flexible dates. Be open to flying a day earlier or later for better prices. 17. Use a VPN for booking. Prices for flights and hotels can vary by region, so try booking from a different location. 18. Book directly with airlines. Sometimes, you can get better deals or added perks by booking directly through the airline websites. 19. Travel during shoulder season. This is the time between peak and off-peak seasons, offering a good weather and fewer crowds at lower prices. 20. Sign up for newsletters. Airlines and hotels often send out exclusive deals to their subscribers. Money-saving tips. 21. Use local currency. Pay in local currency to avoid unfavorable exchange rates. 22. Avoid airport currency exchange. Exchange rates are usually better at local banks or ATMs. 23. Use a credit cards with no foreign transaction fees. Save on fees by using cards designed for international travel. 24. Book accommodations with kitchens. Save money by cooking some of your meals instead of eating out. 25. Stay in business hotels on weekends. These hotels are often cheaper on weekends when business travelers leave. 26. Use public transportation. It's usually much cheaper than taxis or rental cars. 27. Free walking tours. Many cities offer free guided tours where you can learn and explore without spending much. 28. Skip hotel breakfast. They're often overpriced. Find a local cafe instead. 29. Buy a local SIM card. It's often cheaper than international roaming plans. 30. Use apps like Hopper or Skyscanner. These apps can help you find the cheapest flights and best travel deals. In-flight tips. 31. Bring your own snacks. Airplane food can be expensive and not always appetizing. 32. Hydrate before boarding. Airplane cabins are dry, so start hydrating before your flight. 33. Wear compression socks. Prevent swelling and discomfort during long flights. 34. Bring a neck pillow and eye mask. Ensure you get rest during your flight. 35. Dress in layers. Airplane temperatures can vary, so be prepared for both warm and cold. 36. Board with refillable water bottle. Fill it after passing security to stay hydrated on flight. 37. Choose seats near the wings. This is typically the most stable part of the plane, reducing the sensation of turbulence. 38. Use noise cancelling headphones. Black out the noise and enjoy a quieter flight. 39. Upgrade with miles or points. Use them to upgrade to a more comfortable seat. 40. Check Seat Guru. Before selecting your seat, check Seat Guru for seats reviews and recommendations. Accommodation hacks. 41. Ask for corner rooms. They are usually larger and quieter. 42. Check for free upgrades. Always ask at the check-in if there are any available upgrades. 43. Use hotel price match guarantees. Some hotels will match or beat a lower price you find elsewhere. 44. Book a room with a view. Sometimes the cost difference is minimal for a much better experience. 45. Stay in a local guest houses or B&Bs. They often offer a more authentic experience at lower cost. 46. Use home rental services. Platforms like Airbnb can be cheaper and more comfortable than hotels. 47. Check for hidden fees. Always review your booking for additional charges like resort fees or parking. 48. Join hotel loyalty programs. If you don't travel often, these programs can offer free Wi-Fi, late checkouts, and other perks. 49. Request early check-in or late checkout. It's often complimentary and give you extra time to enjoy your destination. 50. Read the fine print on deals. Make sure special offers don't come with significant restrictions or additional costs. Safety and health tips. 51. Scan important documents. Keep digital copies of your passport, visas, and other important documents. 52. Use a money belt. Keep your money and documents safe, especially in crowded areas. 53. Pack a first aid kit. Include essentials like band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription meds. 54. Research local scams. Familiarize yourself with common scams in the area to avoid being tricked. 55. Travel insurance. Always have a travel insurance to cover emergencies. 56. Blend in. Try to dress like a local to avoid standing out as a tourist. 57. Secure your belongings. Use anti-theft backpacks and never leave your bag unattended. 58. Carry a dummy wallet. In case of mugging, you can hand over a wallet with a small amount of cash. 59. No emergency numbers. Research and save local emergency contacts in your phone. 60. Stay aware of your surroundings. Always be alert, especially in unfamiliar areas. Time-saving tips. 61. Use TSA pre-check or global entry. Save time at airport security and customs. 62. Online check-in. Always check in online to save time at the airport. 63. Book non-stop flights. Avoid the hassle and potential delays of layovers. 64. Travel with carry-on only. Skip the baggage claim and avoid lost luggage by packing light. 65. Use fast-track passes for attractions. Save time at popular tourist spots by booking skip-the-line tickets. 66. Plan your itinerary wisely. Group attractions by location to minimize travel time. 67. Research airport layouts. Know where your gate, lounges, and amenities are located before you arrive. 68. Use digital boarding passes. Save paper and time by using your phone for boarding. 69. Arrive early for trains and buses. Unlike flights, trains and buses often leave promptly. 70. Keep your phone charged. Ensure your phone is always ready for navigation or emergency use. General travel tips. 71. Learn basic phrases in the local language. It's respectful and can help in a pinch. 72. Keep a travel journal. Document your experiences to remember your trip better. 73. Be flexible. Sometimes the best experiences happen when plans change. 74. Wake up early. Enjoy popular attractions before the crowd arrives. 75. Embrace the local culture. Try local foods, attend events, and engage with locals to enrich your travel experience. These tips, used by seasoned travelers, can help you have more enjoyable, efficient, and safe trip. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first big adventure, these secrets can make significant difference. Thanks for watching. If you found those top 75 travel hacks helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips that will take your travels to the next level. Drop a comment below with your favorite hack or share your own travel secrets. We'd love to hear from you. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.